Hey everyone, I'm Prithvi Seth and welcome to my channel Plates by Prithvi. And today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. It's a very easy recipe. Come, I'll show you.
Okay, so can you brief us through the ingredients?
Yes, sure. So I have all-purpose flour. It is 250 grams.
Okay.
Then I have baking powder,
Okay.
baking soda. I have 2 eggs,
Okay.
vanilla essence. I have brown sugar about 125 grams.
Okay.
I have some choco chips.
Okay.
And then I have around 100 grams of butter,
Okay.
salt, and 25 ml of milk.
Okay.
And I have some dark chocolate compound into small pieces.
Can we have some?
Not right now. So let's just start.
Okay. And guys, we also made these cookies yesterday. They were delicious, so we decided we should film this for you guys. And that's the reason we are making these. They're super easy to make and they're yum to have. So first we are cracking 2 eggs in a bowl.
Now I'm gonna add my sugar. So now I'm gonna stir it a bit so that when I use my blender it doesn't come out and get angry on us.
And I don't like the smell of egg, guys, so I won't prefer it falling on my clothes at all.
Now I'm gonna start my blender and start whisking it. I'm gonna add my butter now. So I've left a little bit for my sheet when I put it in the oven, and rest it is inside. Now I'm gonna whisk it. Now I'm gonna add my milk. A bigger bowl now. I'm gonna sift my all-purpose flour, that is also maida. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda.
Guys, Prithvi just gave me that dazed look when he forget the name of the ingredient. And he was looking at my face. What am I supposed to say?
I was gonna say baking powder, but it was soda. Now I'm gonna put a teaspoon of baking powder also. 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna just mix it with a spatula. Now I'm gonna add my wet ingredient to my dry ingredients, and I'm gonna just mix them with a spatula, not with a blender.
I can't wait to eat these cookies again. Literally, we made, I think, 15 cookies yesterday and we're all over.
Yeah.
So then we decided that we are going to make these cookies for you today.
Maggie, just pass me the chocolate.
Here you go.
Now I'm gonna add my chocolate into it.
Yummy.
Chunks of chocolate.
So basically, guys, these chunks of chocolate are going to be semi soft.
Gooey.
And yeah, basically gooey is the right word. So they'll just melt into your mouth and it's delicious to eat. So that's why we keep the chunks like this, so that we get like a bite of it when we are having it, and they're gooey and soft, not hard like they are right now.
Also, I'm just gonna add my vanilla essence, which I actually forgot. But it doesn't matter right now because we'll mix it.
Yeah.
And as you guys can see, that the batter should be really thick for the cookies to turn out to be perfect. I think I'm gonna put my rest of the chocolate as well. They're gonna do a good job. And our dough is just about ready.
Can you please quickly put them in the oven? I really want to have them.
Yeah, but I am gonna refrigerate it first for some time. You have to wait, huh? Tasty things take a bit of time, huh? So guys, now I'm gonna refrigerate it for some time, maybe about half an hour, so that it gets a bit more hard when I put it in the oven.
Okay.
And then our cookies will be ready in about 40 minutes. So guys, I've just cling foiled it. Now I'm gonna put it into the freezer for about like 15-20 minutes, just because I wanna speed up the process. And by the time these are in the freezer, I'm gonna preheat my oven at 160 degrees for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
So by the time our cookie dough gets freezed, this will get ready.
Okay.
And then we'll take it out, scoop out those from the dough, put it inside, let it rest for some bit, and have the lovely tasty cookies.
Done. Sounds like a plan.
So guys, after 20 minutes, our dough is ready. So is our oven. And now I have put the baking paper, and I'm gonna just grease it with butter. So now I'm gonna take a scoop I'm gonna even it. I'm gonna scoop it out on my sheet. Now I'm just gonna add some chocolate chips.
So I'm just quickly gonna show you guys how our dough looks like before it goes into the oven.
So now we put these in our oven. So guys, now मैं अब इसको bake करूँगा 160 degrees पे for about 40 minutes and they'll be done. And I'll keep checking them after every 20 minutes so that I know I'm not going wrong anywhere.
We also want to introduce the cutest member of our family. Look how she made it.
Already shouting, my baby.
Ooh la la. Our chocolate chip cookies smell amazing and I assure you guys they taste even better. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you make these lovely cookies at home. And if you make these at home, don't forget to tag me and Prithvi. We would love to see these. Please subscribe to Prithvi's channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Show him loads and loads of love for making such amazing food for you guys. Do try these yummy cookies at home. You will thank me for sure.
And before signing off, one last thing, guys. These cookies are made with egg. So I know a lot of people don't like egg. So people who like egg, you're gonna love this cookie. And for people who do not like egg, I'm gonna do another video and I'll make the same cookies without egg. And I'm gonna make eggless cookies for you guys. So you gotta wait for my recipe video now.
Bye guys, lots of love from Meghna and Prithvi. Signing off now.